Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back with another movie review. This time for
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man Far From Home, as you can tell.
Whatever a Spider-Man does.
We just got back from the movie. Thoughts?
The movie title was very literal.
Was it though?
He was far from home the whole time.
I mean, yeah, I suppose so. She's right. It's an accurate title. Homecoming, Far From Home. Yeah, I get it.
I liked the first Spider-Man better than the second one, honestly. Yes, it ties into it ties into the Avengers and all that very well. The continuity of the story from Marvel movie to Marvel movie is there. Obviously, you want to stay till the end of the credits to know about that.
You probably need to this time.
You have to.
Probably don't skip that.
Yeah.
Time, eh?
But I thought it was meh.
I liked it.
I mean, it had its cute little quirky funny moments, but I mean, I like Spider-Man. I just thought this one wasn't the best Spider-Man of all the Spider-Mans.
It was Spider-Man being Spider-Man. It was fun. It's a nice movie post-Endgame. Not so... There's some feels, but it's not so much like feels until you're pounding into the dirt.
Yeah.
It's more like Spider-Man meets Euro Trip. It's got some laughs. It's some giggles. It's funny. It's a nice little adventure romp. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not going to win any awards.
No, not a one.
It's going to make a lot of money.
I like the new spider suit.
The suit was cool.
This black one I don't like so much, though.
The universe is alive and well. It hasn't lost its touch. So this one is going to be another solid entry.
Yeah.
Whether or not I think it's better than Homecoming, I'm not on the fence. I like them both, honestly, after that.
Better.
I'm going to watch this one a ton of times, too. So I don't really think it's going to matter to me at the end of the day. But it very much picks up in his life right after Endgame. So
It's true.
And the trailers didn't ruin a ton.
Nothing, really.
It was a case of, again, basically Captain Marvel, where everything that was in the beginning of the movie is a trailer. And then the rest of it's like, okay, well, here you go. So
yeah, I like that Marvel does that.
Yeah, they've been very good about the trailers lately. So you're going to go in here. They haven't ruined anything for you. If you're a fan of Spider-Man...
You'll love it if Spider-Man's your guy.
It's all fan service.
Yeah.
It's all fan service. The villain this time?
Meh.
They were okay. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but they were okay. They're alright. They looked nice.
Yeah, give it that.
I mean, you see kind of like some growth. Them pushing growth in Spider-Man as a result of what happens in this movie, which is what we all want to see. Us buying into this whole universe. And this one's just going to get you more and more invested. And then it ends in a way... Not in a cliffhanger, but with the after credit scenes, it ends in a way that you know that after Endgame, there are more exciting things to come.
This is true. I'm excited for those pieces. So,
from the Bear, I'm definitely giving this one 4 out of 5 claws.
I would say, I don't know, 2.5, 3 out of 5. It's right there in the middle. It's like a C.
Oh, and the soundtrack, though. Woo! This is a summer soundtrack.
It's not as good as, like, Ragnarok or any of the Guardians of the Galaxy movies. It's probably number 5.
It's not, but I mean, going into your summer, the last thing I expect for a summer banger of a album is a comic book movie for the summer. Just unless you're Black Panther, and then in case I just play it for the whole year.
I mean, it's Marvel for you. They've killed the movie soundtracks now to the point where, like, those are the best ones.
Yes. But definitely go see this movie. You will not be disappointed.
Yeah, go see it in theaters. Even though it's, not the best Marvel movie ever, it's worth it to see in theaters. If you've seen Spider-Man, let us know what you thought in the comments below.
I want to know, when you guys seen it, where you would rank this on your Marvel movies list. Is it the best Spider-Man movie? Is it the best Marvel movie you've seen? Let's find out. We'll see you in the comments. Well, until next time.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl. You gotta have somewhere to stand. I'm big. Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back with another movie review. This time,
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
so as you can tell, we just got back from Spider-Man Far From Home.
The title of... Let me fix that.
How did you, check?
Usually it doesn't fall. No, there's only one.